we are here in Cusco since a couple of months, and we really love the city. And we also did a couple of adventures with Destiny Peru Tours, and we really loved these adventures. For example, we did Machu Picchu and the Salcantay Trek. And the Salcantay Trek with this agency was also amazing because we could discover the nature, the food was amazing, the trek, our guide, our group. So I think we really loved that. But we also did other adventures and other experiences with this agency, Destiny Peru Tours. For example, the Rainbow Mountain.
Yeah, of course. And also at this tour, the agency was very good because everything was so good organized, and the group was very nice. The guide was very good too, and we went there with a horse, so it was very comfortable. And only with this agency we had the possibility to do that. So in total it was a very great day for us.
And apart from that, we also did many other adventures. For example, we went to the Sacred Valley. In Spanish it's called Valle Sagrado. And we also visited the Salineras, Moray, Tambopata, I think.
Yeah, the rainforest of Peru, and all the adventures we did with the same organization, Destiny Peru Tours. And always we are very happy with this agency, and everything's very good, and always the adventures are so great for us, and so we're very lucky to travel with Destiny Peru Tours.
And also we can highly recommend this agency because always the guide is so nice and he's so friendly. And apart from that, the food is very well, I think.
Always.
And also everything was good organized, and so we can highly recommend this to all other tourists who will visit Cusco. And we think Destiny Peru Tours is the best way
To discover Peru.